Hello and welcome back, everyone. Thanks for joining me. So today we're going to be talking about thyme and when is the best time to trim your thyme. It's after flowering. I'll go ahead and show you here in a little bit. But let's talk about thyme. Thyme is an herb that likes good drainage, good sun, and poor soil. If you don't have any of that, that's okay. However, I would expect to lose it come winter time, and now you're going to have to plant it next year. But thyme you can plant between places like patio pavers. So when you step on it, it releases a beautiful fragrance. You can plant it in raised beds, maybe with poor soil, so you don't lose it, or in pots. The thyme I'm going to show you how to trim is orange thyme. It's right here behind me next to the patio. And what I love about it here is when it's sunny out, when it's hot, it releases this spicy orange fragrance in the air that's so refreshing. It makes it so much more enjoyable to sit out here. So keep that in mind when you're planting your thyme. Now, trimming thyme, it's not hard at all. Just get rid of stuff that's dead, diseased, dying. Do it after flowering. There's no hard and fast rules. Like, say, lavender, we should try to trim it by a third. It doesn't take long at all. And the reason you want to trim your thyme, one, is so it's healthier. Two, after you trim it, it's going to put up fresh new growth all the way until fall, which makes not only the thyme healthier, but if you use it for culinary purposes in your dishes, you get a bunch of fresh new growth to choose from instead of the old growth, or more old growth than new growth for those dishes, because it will put up new growth, but not as much if you trim it, if you don't trim it. This is one of the thymes we're going to be trimming. It's not hard to do. I literally just move all the rest of the thyme out of the way to get an idea of what I'm looking at. And all you really have to do is grab a nice little chunk of it and just trim it as low as you want to. Get rid of anything dead, diseased, or dying. The more yellow stuff, I cut back a little bit hard. And if you really want to, just go like this and just trim it hard. It's not going to hurt it any. It'll put up a bunch of fresh new growth to help you out. Might see some of this yellowing. It's not bad. Let's go ahead and trim a little bit off. Take it out. It's pretty much where everything's flowered. It's one of those plants that just a little trim goes a long way. Well, that's it, everyone. Thyme is truly a treat to have in your garden. It's hardy. It's easy to care for. Thanks for watching, everyone. And until next time, bye-bye.